When you're a kid, there is nothing better than having a sleepover. There's always the problem of where to put the extra friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trundle bed. It's really easy, it slides straight under the bed. We've got our plywood pre-cut at Bunnings and we're going to use a mitre saw to cut the frame. A mitre cut is a 45-degree angle that allows the two pieces to join to form the exact 90 degrees. Once we've done our first mitre cut, we need to take a measurement so that we can mark it out to get our second mitre cut. Now that we've done our measurements, we need to change the angle on the mitre saw to 45 degrees for our next cut. Now that all our cuts are done, we can start assembling the frame. We're using window packers to raise the base so that when we apply the side panels, it will cover most of the slides. Now we're attaching the frame to the base. We're using PVA glue and we're going to fix it off using a nail gun. Now that we've got the bed assembled, it's going to need some handles. Now that I've got my holes drilled, I'm going to flip it over and putty up any imperfections. Putting the sliders on is really simple. Apply the glue to the base, turn it over, place it into position, and let it dry according to the instructions on the packaging. The sliders are fantastic. They allow the trundle bed to slide easily under the bed and they won't scratch any of your surfaces. Now it's all dry, it's time to give it a light sand. You can apply any finish you like to it. We're going to use a clear varnish on ours to protect it and to bring out the nice grains in the timber. Now that the varnish is dry, it's time to attach your rope handles. Just a little tip, if you use some masking tape to wrap around the end of the rope, it makes it a lot easier to push it through the hole. A knot at the end, and there we go. That's it, all done. Now let's get it into the bedroom. The sliding mechanism is great as opposed to wheels because it doesn't take up any room under your bed. There'll be no more dilemmas where everyone is going to put their head at night. With one of these under your bed, sleepovers will be a dream.
Check out the Bunnings website for step-by-step instructions and all the tools and materials you'll need, or you can keep watching for more DIY projects and ideas.